Hey guys, how are you? I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. I actually was on Instagram the other day and one of my good friends sells jewelry on there, Luna Jewels. So right there, Luna Jewels JA, and I'll also put a link to her Instagram down below. So I just bought some quick little items from her, so it's time to open it up because she finally I finally was able to receive it. So let's see what I got. Love the pretty pink because she's very much a girly girl. So let's see what I got. Oh, pretty little postcard. Thank you, Jen, for your order. lunajewlsja.com. Thank you for your order. Thank you for your support. Oh, here's a code for you guys. Take a quick pic of that. You can use that. She also has Shopify, so you can get the stuff from Shopify, or you can DM her questions on Instagram again, and she can get back to you. I love her items. Really good quality. Let's see. I think that's it for that thing. Yep. So that's that. So there's my little card, little sticker. Ooh, I think it said, oh, yep, yeehaw. So I can actually add that to my planner. I'll put that on my planner, I think. So that's pretty cute. And I got this pretty packaging. I love this. Nice and soft, protects the jewelry. And then some earrings that I got. So let's take a look at these. I think the little gold ones, I don't remember ordering the little gold ones, so maybe it was a little add-on, maybe, again I don't remember. So there's some cute little gold hoops, little minis. So I can't wear big earrings for work because I'm a nurse, and when I'm giving vaccines the babies already kind of grab at my hair if I'm having it in a ponytail. So these are perfect for me. So little gold hoops. And then these perfect little minis. That little stone, little silver, half a hoop, and a little stone one, half a hoop also. With the post, with the backs on them. Again, I can't have nothing too big because these kids are little animals sometimes. So, again, they get nervous when I'm giving them their vaccine. So again, really good quality. I love it. So that was that. And here is this piece. Let's see. So I ordered 2 of these clover necklaces. I ordered a mini and a regular size one. So this one's the mini with the stone. I'll help if I'm showing it the right way. Oh, there it is. So that's the mini. And then this is the regular size. Again, I'm showing the back of it. I'm sorry, guys. And this is the regular size clover. And just for a comparison, mini and regular. So my idea is when I'm wearing one of these, because it's obviously silver, I'm going to wear these. Just to make it kind of match. Like that. So I just want to kind of come on here really quick just to show you some quick little jewelry that I purchased the other day during her live. I know she's going to be doing more lives soon. So check her out. I'll show the discount code again. And again, you can always send her a DM if you're looking for something special. She does do handmade items also. This isn't a paid advertisement, but you can definitely use the code that I showed you. So there's, how pretty is that? Can't wait to put it on. There's that one. And then again the mini. I thought the mini was so cute. And there's the mini. So, quick little unboxing, unbagging. And again, here's the card. And here's the 10% off. Use code WELCOME. If you reach out to her on Instagram, let her know that Jennifer recommended you. And again, just quick little things. Have a great evening, guys. Thanks so much.